Hello. Astronomy picture of the day, April 25, 2025. Today's video is about asteroid Donald Johanson. Main belt asteroid 52246 Donald Johanson is about 8 km long and 3.5 km across. On April 20th, this sharp close-up of the asteroid was captured at a distance of about 1,100 km by the Lucy spacecraft's long-range camera during its second asteroid encounter. Named after American paleoanthropologist Donald Johanson, discoverer of the Lucy hominid fossil, the elongated asteroid was likely formed about 150 million years ago from a gentle collision of two smaller bodies, creating its characteristic contact binary shape. Launched in October of 2021, the Lucy spacecraft will continue its travels through the main asteroid belt in 2025, but is on its way to explore Jupiter's swarm of Trojan asteroids. Lucy is expected to encounter its first Trojan asteroid target, 3548 Eurybates, in August 2027. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.